A tinny buzz near 2000 RPM often comes from an exhaust shield. A rhythmic click while accelerating through a turn points more toward a CV joint. Harsh metallic chatter from the front of the engine, especially with a cold start rattle, raises concern about the timing chain system. These are clues, not verdicts. To narrow any acceleration rattle, ask 3 questions. Does it follow engine RPM, vehicle speed, or only drivetrain load? Those 3 clues separate most realistic causes. Start with exhaust heat shields, thin metal panels protecting the floor, fuel tank, and nearby parts from heat. Mechanics commonly report loose or corroded shields as the most frequent finding, although no universal failure rate database covers every vehicle. The sound is usually a bright, tinny buzz within one narrow RPM range. Acceleration raises engine speed and vibration until the shield reaches resonance. If gentle revving while parked reproduces it, inspect the cold exhaust area for rusted mounting points or a shield that moves easily. Sometimes the shield is intact, but a bracket, bolt, washer, or spring clip has loosened or rusted away. That produces sharper metallic chatter like coins vibrating on a tray. Under acceleration, stronger exhaust pulses and slight engine movement load the loose attachment. The clue is localization. The buzz may come from one small point instead of the whole shield. With the vehicle cold and properly supported, light tapping can expose the loose fastener. Never crawl beneath a car supported only by a jack. A catalytic converter contains a honeycomb that treats exhaust gases. If this ceramic or metallic core cracks or separates, it can rattle inside the shell. The noise resembles pebbles in a can and may intensify as RPM and exhaust flow rise. Unlike a loose shield, it seems to come from inside a sealed component. A check engine light, catalyst efficiency code, exhaust odor, or reduced power strengthens suspicion, but none is guaranteed. Because the converter becomes extremely hot, confirmation belongs in a workshop. Engine and transmission mounts are rubber and metal supports that hold the powertrain and absorb vibration. Acceleration applies torque, so the engine twists against them. When a mount is torn, collapsed, or loose, movement becomes excessive and may create a dull rattle, thump, or on metal knock. Look for noise when pressing or releasing the accelerator during shifts or when changing between drive and reverse. Extra idle vibration and visible movement support the theory, but testing must follow the manufacturer's procedure. The exhaust hangs on rubber isolators so it can move without striking the body. A stretched hanger, misaligned pipe, worn flex section or loose clamp can let it touch a crossmember, shield or floor. Acceleration shifts the connected exhaust as the powertrain moves, while rising RPM excites pipe vibration. Expect a hollow clank or buzz beneath the car's center. If it occurs under load but not while revving in park, contact caused by drivetrain movement becomes more likely. Shiny witness marks are a useful clue. The accessory belt drives the alternator, air conditioning compressor, and other components. Its automatic tensioner keeps the belt tight. Idler pulleys guide it. Worn bearings or a weak tensioner can create a rapid rattle, dry chatter, or growl that speeds up with engine RPM. Acceleration increases pulley speed and can make the tensioner arm flutter. The sound usually comes from the front or side of the engine and may change when the air conditioning switch is on. Keep hands and tools away from a running belt drive. A timing chain synchronizes the crankshaft and camshafts so the valves open correctly. Guides and an oil-fed tensioner control it. If the chain, guide, or tensioner wears, the chain can slap the cover with metallic chatter. Cold start rattling is a stronger classic clue, but faults may also become audible at certain RPMs as chain speed, oil pressure, and vibration change. Acceleration-only noise does not prove chain failure. Timing fault codes, rough running, or noise from the front cover justify prompt professional inspection. constant velocity, or CV joint, lets a driven wheel receive power while steering and moving with the suspension. A worn outer joint commonly clicks during a powered turn because it transmits torque at a steep angle. An inner joint more often causes a clunk, shudder, or vibration during straight-line acceleration. The rhythm follows road speed, not engine RPM while parked. Check for a torn rubber boot or grease around the wheel area, but an intact boot does not completely rule out internal wear. Rear-wheel drive and many all-wheel drive vehicles use a driveshaft with universal joints, or U-joints. These cross-shaped joints transmit torque through changing angles. Wear or lost lubrication can create a clunk when load first applies, a metallic chirp at low speed, or shudder during acceleration. The sensation often comes through the floor and follows vehicle speed rather than stationary engine RPM. Excess play, rust-colored dust near a bearing cap, or binding are clues. Because driveshaft failure can be dangerous, do not postpone inspection. Not every rattle is drivetrain related. Loose dashboard trim, an engine bay cover, underbody panel, or missing plastic fastener can vibrate at one specific frequency. The sound is usually a light plastic buzz, tapping, or flutter rather than a heavy knock. If it appears at nearly the same engine RPM in several gears, resonance is likely. If it changes mainly with road speed, airflow may be moving an undertray. Empty the cabin, have a passenger press suspected trim, and inspect covers for missing clips. Automatic transmission and torque converter noises belong lower on the checklist. A torque converter is the fluid coupling between the engine and an automatic transmission. Internal wear, converter clutch problems, or another transmission component can produce rattling or shudder under load, but the frequency of this cause is uncertain, and external shields or mounts often sound similar. Suspicion rises if it occurs only in gear, during converter lockup, in one gear, or with slipping harsh shifts, fluid issues, or transmission codes. Diagnosis usually requires scan data. A loose coil pack, engine cover bolt, wiring retainer, or spark plug wire clit can tap nearby metal as the engine vibrates. The wire itself rarely creates a true metallic rattle. Loose hardware around it is more likely. Acceleration increases vibration and rocks the engine, producing a light tick or buzz from the top of the engine bay. With the engine off and cool, confirm that covers and coils are secured and wiring is clipped away from brackets. Misfires or damaged ignition parts require repair, not noise padding. On turbocharged engines, the wastegate controls boost by opening a bypass around the turbine. Play in its flap, pivot, or actuator linkage can create metallic chatter within a narrow RPM and load range. Manufacturer bulletins document this on specific engines. Some describe a slight rattle as normal, while others specify revised hardware or repair. The clue is a turbo area sound appearing under boost or during throttle changes after shields and exhaust contact are excluded. Vehicle-specific service information is essential before replacing a turbocharger.